In this video, I'm about to show you how to recover a deleted campaign on Facebook Ads Manager. First, open Google Chrome and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Now, click on the first link that appears in the search results to access Facebook's official site. Once you're on the site, click on Go to Ads Manager to open the Ads Manager dashboard. Here you'll see all the campaigns you've created so far. Next, look for the Campaign Delivery section. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Deleted option. This will filter your campaigns, showing only those that have been deleted. After selecting Deleted, click on Apply to confirm your choice. Now, you'll see a list of all deleted campaigns, including any Click CPA campaigns you may have previously run. To recover the campaign, enter desired budget or bid amount, then click Apply to reactivate it. This will restore your deleted campaigns, allowing it to start running again or be adjusted as needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.